Hello everyone, welcome back to SNIT training channel. This is Sampath here. In today's session, we are going to talk about something about CCNA certification. Now, what is CCNA certification and how to get this CCNA certification? If you're planning for a career into IT networking or IT administration, so this is the first certification someone has to do it. If someone is planning the career into system administration or a cybersecurity, and this is the first certifications which someone have to do it, right? Now let's get started. Now, what is CCNA certification? This is one of the most recognized IT certification in the networking field, and these certifications are more valuable, especially for those who want to make the career into system network administration and cybersecurity, what I said. And once you do this certification, you will be recognized globally. Okay, so wherever you go, that means you have some that standards. It is not just I know what is networking. It is something that okay, you are expert in that this certification okay proves you. And inside this certification, the essential skills that which you are going to get covered, and it proves that yes, you are eligible to go and do this IT administration job roles, right? And this is the first certification I said that if someone who want to make the career in the networking, and this will make them okay to prove themselves that they are experts inside this subject, and they can make the career okay from this as a first level. Now, if you want to clear these examinations, and what are the exam syllabus or topics which are going to get covered inside this, we have this exam is called as, in CCNA we have many certifications. We have certifications okay into CCNP, CCIE, CCAR, okay, and for every exam we have some exam code. So inside this, the exam code which you are going to get it for CCNA switching and routing for the first level certification, which I say it 200 and 301. Okay, so this 200, 301 switching and routing, which is going to get covered the syllabus, which are network fundamentals. So what are the devices which are used inside the networks, what topologies are there, what are the types of protocols which we are going to get it, so that which are going to get covered inside this network fundamental. And the percentage, if I take in 100%, the 20% of the the syllabus which are going to come inside the exam are from this network fundamentals. And next we have network access. Like in switching, okay, you learn something about VLANs, trunking. So how do you make a entire network divided into different segments? Okay, that is called VLAN. And in this network access, we get cover about VLAN, trunking, Ethernet channel, and wireless LAN. So that is 20% of the questions which are going to come from this network access. IP network, IP connectivities, like protocols, like you say OSPF protocols. Okay, what is OSPF? Open shortest path first, and what is the working process of that OSPF? So these are all the things which are going to get covered, almost 25% of questions which are going to come inside your exam. IP services, we have something called NAT, network address translations. Okay, how a public IP is converted to private IP, and that is a concept. And from that, okay, we are going to get questions and NTP, SNMP, DHCP. So almost all 10% of the questions which are going to come from that. And we have security fundamentals, 15% of the concepts which are going to come from that. Okay, understanding the security concepts like virtual private networks. How do you secure your networks? How do you access your devices okay securely? And next 10% which comes around automation and programmability. So these are the topics which are going to get covered, and this is the percentage of exam questions which you are going to get inside the CCNA exam. And once you prepare all this, and based on this, now your preparation has to start and focus that now, and which area that have to focus more, so that that questions which can come and that you can clear inside the exam. Now preparing for the CCNA 200 301 exam. So how do you get prepared, and any prerequisites which are there to do this certification? Now to do this certification, you don't require any, no formal prerequisites like in terms of, I say, education also. It is not like you have to do the graduation to do or a PG you have to do, any qualifications. Okay. And you need to have a basic knowledge, okay, inside the networking. So basic knowledge that how do you operate your computer, how computer gets internet, that we talk about IP addressing. So these basics which are enough, if not enough also, and that you can go and get prepared on this. That is what your agenda, right? From non-technical background to technical background you want to get it. So for that you will study for that. So how do you get studied? How do you get prepared for this? Cisco gives a complete material for you inside their website. You can go in their official website and get this all the thing. And other than this, we have many online platforms. You have many YouTube channels also, right? You can go and get prepared there. You have many free channels also. Or you go and join for an institution, and from there you get one-to-one training or a classroom training, online training, and get support from them, learn subject. And from there, the next is very important that which we have to get it is hands-on practice. Now in networking, it's most on, what I say with my experiences, hands-on is mandatory for everyone. Okay, it's not just theoretical subject. To get that confidence and clear your exam, you need to have 100% hands-on practical on every concept. Like hands-on practical, then how you can do it? If you are, as a student or a working employee, you're doing some online trainings, we have many applications where you can go and do this practice. Like you can see there is a Cisco Packet Tracer. It's a free applications which you can download into your laptop or a PC, and you can install and you can get these applications over there and get devices, Cisco devices, like I say, router, switches, okay, or a wireless access points, anything that you can get inside that application and practice that. Or you have some, advanced applications also like GNS3 and EVNG for advanced labs. And apart from that, okay, if possible, if you have some, classroom training, something like that, where you can get a physical Cisco devices like routers and switches, you can go get hands-on on the real devices where you connect, install and configure all the routing protocols. And that will help you and boost your confidence more. If I say physical, practical, if possible, 100% try for that in networking especially. And that gives you more confidence in clearing your exam and also to work in the real time. Like we have switches, 2000 series and 3000 series, and routers, okay, 3000, 2000, different series of routers which are available, and switches also available. This CCNA 200-301 exam, which is going to, as we know that this is an exam code which you have to register, okay, in the Cisco official website. The cost of this exam which you are going to have it, $354, and in Indian price that could be something around 31,204 rupees with including taxes. Okay, that 18% of GST which you get it, that includes it. This is the cost you get it. I'm talking about including GST. Excluding GST, you remove that 18% inside that. Exam duration is going to be for 120 minutes from the start of your exam. Okay, now I started my exam. From now that time is get started exactly for 120 minutes. So inside this, if any interruptions happen, like suppose your network get fails, okay, and it might get start after 10 minutes, and there will be a support from the support process will be there, but exam count is whenever your system is up, that means your network is up, and from that only it will get counted. And within that 120 minutes of time you have to clear, where you get 100 to 120 questions, and that questions can be into multiple choice, drag and drop, or simulations. Drag and drop, like you have, give the correct answer in the sequence, and simulations where you get a practical scenario, you have to clear that scenario there. And this exam, if you are interested to write, then Pearson is an authorized testing people who conducts this exam for many exams like Microsoft exams, AWS exams, and Cisco exams. And this exam can be in the center, or you can go for the in center. That means you can go and visit some place of authorized Pearson center, or you can write exam there, or you can sit at your home and you can give this exam also, online exam. There are some rules which you have to follow for that. From your premises, how you have to appear for this exam. And before that, you will have before exam there will be process, and for that, you need to go through the documentation of Cisco. And this exam, once you get clear, example today I got cleared this exam, and from here it is valid up to 3 years of time period. After 3 years, your certification will get expired. So before it get expired, you can also go and renew for that. Because time to time the technology gets updated, and Cisco also want. Not only Cisco, there are many certificates. Like you say Microsoft, it is only for 1 year. If you say AWS, it is for 2 years. And Cisco, good thing that you get it for 3 years of time period. Now this is about your exam and the exam day. Example, like I'm sitting and giving my exam from my home. That I have to get my laptop and connect it to my cam, and there will be a prerequisites that which I have to go through, testing my computer, and if all my computer and internet speed is good, and from there your exam process, they ask you to take the pictures of your premises and upload that premises, your selfie and your ID card, your government ID card. Like my suggestion, you go with the PAN card, that is original PAN card. I repeat this, original PAN card. Your duplicate, that means your Xerox something, you laminated things which you get, that will not be valid. And what will happen if you go and sit with that address proof, he will ask for something, again go with original PAN card or a passport. If you are not providing, then simply he say reschedule your exam. So better to go with original ID proof of your PAN card, and your government ID proof, as I said, passport could be good. And if your PAN card is there, you should have a clear picture on that, so that you have to upload these things inside the their portal of Cisco or the Pearson. And once you start your exam, your proctor will be live with you on the camera, and you'll be writing your exam. And before that only, you just make sure that everything, you cannot get breaks inside this, or you cannot talk to anyone, and there will be no pauses in the exam. If something like that, if you do anything here and there, and the proctor has the complete rights to cancel your exam or reschedule. He'll ask you to reschedule exam if you say something which is missing. Example, your internet is disconnected in between. They'll wait for 5 minutes, and if the exam, again if internet gets up, it will get started automatically. If not, it's not getting started automatically. Again, you have to go to the Pearson, and from there we have to chat with them, saying our problem, and if everything goes fine, they will again start your exam from where it got disconnected. Else they'll simply say to reschedule your exam. And there are many things like that. And if you want any support more on that, you can ping us. You can comment us. In our channel, that we can support you if you face any challenges. Inside this, how to talk to those people and how to reschedule into all the exams. We are there to help you for that. And this certification prepares you for first level, which I said, right? And from there you can go for the next level, CCNP, CCIE, advanced level certifications also. Is it that I can directly go for a CCNP certification? You can do that, but the first thing which I suggest is you go with CCNA, then you go with the NP level, kind of things. And your exam preparations roadmap, as I said, you have to learn that, and you get some material, study material, or you join for some institutions, or you refer your YouTube channels, and you get complete hands-on the labs, and register for your exam, and finally you pass your exam. So once you have done this, what is that? From non-certified, you will be get certified now from non-IT, now you have complete knowledge on the IT administration, that you become a technical guy here, and you can start preparing for your next level things, what we talk about, non-certified, preparing, and you finally you get certified. And once you get certified, now the next agenda, everyone intention is that to go and apply for a job. Okay, to apply for a job, what type of jobs that I can apply here, which starts from the technical IT support. That's the first level of people who go and do certification and appear for the jobs, apply for the job as a technical support engineer, as a NOC technician, someone who monitors the network, who makes sure that the network is continuously up, or if something goes down, they'll raise a ticket to the next level team. IT support specialist, network engineer, network administrator, and system engineer. Okay, terms can be, some companies say network engineer, some companies say network administrator, or based on the seniors' experiences also, companies use the designations. And initially, they will start with an IT support engineer. Okay, and various job roles that you can go and apply. And especially for if someone want to make your career in cloud also, this certifications helps you a lot. Okay, and once you're done this, so here, if you want any support inside this examination, okay, or you need any queries inside this, getting registering your exam, or before you attempt to your exam, if you have any queries related to that, in terms of syllabus, or in terms of technical aspects, or in terms of any fee related aspects, okay, you can ping us in the comment. Okay, you can comment us, or in the channel, or inside this, I'll text my WhatsApp number. You can give us a WhatsApp call or a WhatsApp message. When we are free, we'll 100% try to address you on that. And you also get some vouchers. You can register through Cisco, or you can get this same thing with some vendors. And we have our supporting team also, where you can get for the best price of this all, examination vouchers. And some of my team also can support you with the best discount, which I'm saying. Anything, either you go with website of Cisco and get registered there, or you get support with some vendor and get, both are same. Finally, you are going to give the exam for the Cisco itself. This video is helpful for you, and if it is helpful, kindly like this video, and also subscribe our channel if you are first time watching our channel, and do share with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this. Thank you all.